Nowhere in the world is there a facility that brings together such a wide diversity of data on social reality and such a wide selection of high-quality data.
There are many open questions in the climate science. How does turbulence will create clouds? What's the interaction with the aerosol, the tiny dust particles in the atmosphere? The Ruijsdal Observatory is a unique observatory giving us unique data to study these questions.
To address the future challenges of our society, we need detailed views of our processes. What changes in our bodies, what changes in our life.
Unlock will allow us to utilize complex microbial communities to help solving important societal challenges that we are facing now and in the future.
HFML Felix is a significant Dutch contribution to the global portfolio of international open access research facilities.
Using this crossomics infrastructure, we are now able to study the molecular basis of health and disease in various ways in an integrated way, rather than using single platforms.
BSL's 3 is the answer to the need for safe and secure facilities to conduct infectious diseases research that are threatening public health.
ARISE will bring together the tools based on DNA, image and sound recognition that allow any scientist to identify any species in their sample.
The new instrumentation will allow us to address scientific challenges and societal challenges in the areas of health, energy and smart materials.
The Athena mission will enable astronomers to look far back into time, an observational window which has not yet been explored.
The infrastructure and resources developed by Claria will give researchers from the humanities, social sciences and beyond a user-friendly toolbox with which they can take their research to a next level.
ePOS-NL improves the basis for safe and sustainable use of our subsurface.
We can see with our instruments things that were not seen before.
We hope that with this project we will detect the large abundance of neutrinos, which is still the arguably most obscure and still interesting fundamental particles.
From microbes all the way to the large-scale picture of ocean circulation and therefore also climate change.
And with MPAC, we expect to provide the Dutch plant production and breeding sector with excellent facilities to continue to stay at the top of their field.
Without the ability that Fuse gives us to process that data, we would still not know bloody thing.